Well, hello YouTube. I'm kind of bummed out. We were actually up to 900 subscribers for like 12 hours and then I lost 2. Don't know why, but I lost 2. Kind of sucks. I'm on my new rear tire today. Kind of super duper last minute. Was feeling like not awesome, and then I ate something and now I feel a little bit better. So yeah, hopefully I can go a ways. Sounds like my rear disc brake is rubbing on the disc. I don't know, it does that sometimes when I take the wheel off and put it back on. It like doesn't go on exactly like it was. It's weird. So I'm expecting a little bit of range loss with this new tire. It's like a 5-pound tire. So, but I don't go super far anymore anyway, so it's not going to be that big of a deal. I don't seem to be losing any acceleration or anything. My bike's been unplugged for like, I don't know, 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. It was fully charged when I unplugged it. Because I had been intended on riding it soon after I worked on it, but that didn't work out like I was planned. So I'm back on my 4th replacement wheel from Electric. Damn it. I didn't do that right. The 5th wheel, when I was putting the tire on, somehow the wiring inside the metal spring that's supposed to protect the wiring when it goes into the axle became frayed, and the phase wires got dug into, and the yellow phase wire only has one strand of wire holding it together, so I can't use that wheel anymore. And it's too close to the axle for me to be able to splice anything and do like a splice fix with another cable. So I'm down to one working motor again. I was just happy that when I went to use this motor, because I rode home on it flat twice. The first time it was all wobbly and shit. The second time I rode inside the tire so it didn't damage it. But the first time it kind of gouged the edges of the rim a little bit, but not so much that it's going to damage the tire or the sidewall. So I went over the whole thing really well. And I had to replace one broken spoke from riding it home on a flat. So I ended up pulling a spoke out of the wheel I just replaced it with. So, I mean, the wheel, you know what I mean, the other wheel. This is probably going to be a fairly like short little 10-minute cruise. So I haven't ridden in about a week. Now watch out for the munchkin. So I started taking a cinnamon and a garlic supplement today. I just took that like about a half hour ago with a can of soup and some tortilla chips. So see how I feel with that in my system. It's supposed to be odorless garlic, but I opened that bottle up and that was pretty damn stinky. So I don't know. I don't know why this guy is going like freaking grandma speed and shit, like great grandma speed. I know some fast grandmas. My mom's a grandma and she like hauls ass in her Camaro, so that's not entirely accurate. I do not know what this dude is doing. It's a tiny little e-bike. This might be a shorter than I thought ride. My chest is really starting to bother me now, god damn it. I guess I wasn't ready to go just yet. It sucks. What the hell? What are you doing, dude? There's somebody behind you. I don't know if they're doing something with the Prius or what's happening. So yeah, this is going to be a super short ride. I'm going to be turning around and heading home here in a second. Oh well. Try to go tomorrow morning. It is kind of warm out here still. The hot weather kind of came back in California, and I'm assuming other places. So that's another reason why I haven't been able to ride, because my sleep schedule's been all fucked up, and it's been too hot. When I was trying to ride more during the middle of the day, but then it's too hot again, so. So I'm not going to go all the way up to the park. I'm going to turn around right here at the intersection. The funny thing is, I ordered what was supposed to be an MMG branded tire from the seller, and apparently he gets tires from what he said, he gets tires from two different sellers that are basically the same tire. So I got a one of those Chinese branded tires with the same tread pattern, and he says they're the same quality, so hopefully he didn't lie to me, because like it was like $52 for this tire, and if I paid $52 for a less than quality tire, and I find out like well beyond when I can't actually return the tire anymore, I'm going to be kind of upset. Just a little bit upset. Something just flew in my eye. God damn it. Really wish I could ride farther, but I can't. Well, my rear brake's not working at all. I'm gonna fix that. I should have fixed that when I was replacing the tire, but I didn't. I mean, if I clamp down, if I like pulse my hand on the handbrake on the rear tire, it'll slow down. But if I just try to hold it, it won't. It'll just keep rolling forward. So, oh, they fixed the dip. Thank you. No more dangerous dip. They patched it. Just because there's no stop sign doesn't mean you shouldn't slow down. It's a lot warmer out here than I thought it was. Either that, if those new supplements are making my body heat up, and maybe the garlic is making me feel a little hot. So far, when I burp, though, I don't taste any garlic, so maybe it is odorless. Maybe it's just odorless when it gets in your system, so you're not like garlicking everybody all around you when you burp or something. So that was all of about maybe a mile and a half. Oh well. Gotta save my energy for taking the trash cans out later tonight. Just kidding, it's not exactly difficult to do that. Probably just gonna leave the gate open though, because I gotta, like I said, put the cans out, so not right now, later. We got more trash in the house we gotta throw away first. Alright, well that was it. Went 2.7 miles. Weird. Didn't even feel like that far. Oh well. Hopefully I'm feeling a lot better tomorrow. So if I am, I'm going to get up and go in the morning. I'm really starting to sweat a lot. Jesus. Gotta watch out, there's like a black widow up above my head right here. It's not the kind of interaction I need right now. I got enough health problems without getting bit by a black widow. That would suck. So, well, that was that super short ride. So remember to be super duper awesome. If you could like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on those post notifications, subscribers. Thank you for staying subscribed. New subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Hopefully we can get some more of you and get back up to 900. I'm hoping someone didn't unsubscribe from me because I'm boring or something. That's going to kind of suck, because that could be a continuing trend. Not me being boring, but people thinking I'm boring and unsubscribing. Trying not to be boring. There we go, got it. Oh man. Oh shit. I still won't plug Larry, that's why it's all twisted up. Shit. Okay. There we go. Oh wow, my middle controller is like super hot. What the heck? It may have just been hot from sitting in the garage though, because it was in the high 90s today. But anyways, so remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike ride video, e-bike maintenance video, or whatever. I'm gonna stop now because I'm getting kind of in pain. So later.